Hello everyone. Today we will start the worksheet of unit 2 in your workbook. Okay. So as you have completed the worksheet in previous unit, like that same you have to do in this unit also. Okay. So the page number is 70 in your workbook. You have to read the following passage and then you have to choose the right answer from the 4 alternatives which given below. So I will show you the one passage, how to read and write the answers. The others you have to do, okay, by reading the passage. So, with a large leaf of a creeper brought from the garden, he measured the size of the stranger's nose. Taking a knife and forceps from the wall, he held them over a flame and cut a strip of flesh from the stranger's cheek. The man moaned, but the wine had numbed his senses. After bandaging the cut in the cheek, Sushruta cautiously inserted 2 pipes into the stranger's nostril and transplanted the flesh to the disfigured nose. Molding the flesh into shape, he dusted the nose with powdered licorice, red sandalwood, and an extract of Indian barberry. He then enveloped the nose in cotton, sprinkled some refined oil of sesame on it, and finally put a bandage. So I have read the passage. Now I have to find the answers from these 4 alternatives. So the first is dash has numbed his senses. So where is the answer in the passage? Here. What has numbed his senses? Wine. Okay. Let's see. Is there is wine in alternatives? Yes, you can see the wine is here. Okay. So you have to write the wine in this blank, right? Then where did Sushruta envelop the nose? Where did? He has enveloped the nose, covered the nose. Okay. So you can see here. He then enveloped the nose in cotton. So you can see the option is here, right? In cotton, in bandage, in Indian barberry, in sandalwood. So in cotton. Okay, take this. Then he measured the size of the stranger nose. Who does he refer to? कौन stranger की nose को measure करे थे? He कौन है यहाँ पर? Sushruta. Okay? Yes. Then how did Sushruta measure the size of the stranger nose? कैसा मेजर करे थे? सैंडलवुड से, नाइफ से, या लार्ज लीफ ऑफ क्रीपर, या विथ अ लीफ? आई हैव ऑलरेडी टिक्ड हियर विथ अ लार्ज लीफ ऑफ क्रीपर. आई विल शो यू. See here, with a large leaf of creeper brought from the garden, he measured the size of the stranger nose. Okay. Next, what is the synonym of disfigured? Synonym means meaning of disfigured. Okay, so it is spoiled. The synonym of disfigured is spoiled. So as I have completed the one passage by reading and selecting the correct answer from the alternatives. Okay. Like that you have to do the second passage, third passage and fourth passage. So second passage is on 71 page number. He has given here continuation of the passage. Then you have to choose the correct answer. Okay. Then here third passage he has given on page number 72. Continuation of the passage. Then choose the right answer from 4 alternatives. Then again fourth passage here, page number 73. See here. You have to choose the right answer from the 4 alternatives given below. Okay, read carefully the passages and write down in your workbook. Okay. So now next, unseen passages. Okay, by the poem or study skills. So here he has given again the following passage on importance of health. You have to read the carefully whole passage. Then you have to select the option from here. Okay, correct answer from these 2 questions. So here dash helps to promote a balanced development. So you have to find out from the passage. So see here, yoga helps promote a balanced development of all the 3. So dash helps to promote a balanced development. What is in the passage? Yoga. Yes, you can find the answer here. Yoga. You have to write in your workbook. Okay, next 12th. Most of the dash treat only the symptoms. So I have already ticked here medicines. I will show you in the passage. Okay, write this in your workbook. See here, medicines treat only the symptoms of the disease. Okay, so like this you have to read whole passage. Then you have to find out the correct answer from the passage. I have done one for you. Remaining 3 passages you have to do. अभी इसके बाद भी 3 passages है. Second, third, fourth. Okay. यहाँ पर देखो सेकेंड पैसेज है, राइट। केयरफुली इसको रीड करो, फिर फाइंड आउट करके करेक्ट आंसर लिखो। ओके, यहाँ से देखो, यहाँ पे एक है उसका क्वेश्चन, राइट। सेलेक्ट द करेक्ट आंसर फ्रॉम द पैसेज। देन हियर थर्ड पैसेज ऑन पेज नंबर 76, read it carefully and tick down the correct answers. Okay, now here fourth passage about population, right? Read it carefully and write the correct answers from the passage. So we have completed section A. Now it is section B, vocabulary and grammar. Okay, till now we have completed only the passages. Now from here we are going to do the grammar part. Okay, so he has given the following passage and you have to answer the following, which given underline here as directed. Okay, direct you have to write. So which are the underlined words, right? He will ask the meaning or antonym or suffix type, right? You have to read the sentence and what he is asking you have to write as directed. For example, 17th, hailed. Hail he has given. Hailed means he is asking write the meaning of hailed. Meaning of hailed means something in a good manner, right? Then write is the suffix part in the word discovery. So write the suffix part. Prefix मतलब शुरुआत का, suffix मतलब last का. So last में क्या है? The letter Y. Okay. Then write the parts of speech of the word this. ये this कौन सी parts of speech में आता पूछ रहे? Pronoun में आता. Okay. Then write the antonym of limited. Limited का opposite क्या आएगा? Unlimited आएगा. Okay. एंड राइट द सिंगुलर फॉर्म ऑफ द वर्ड फैसिलिटीज. फैसिलिटीज क्या हो गया? प्लूरल फॉर्म है. सिंगुलर फॉर्म लिखना है तो फैसिलिटी. ओके, राइट इन योर वर्क बुक. देन अगेन सेकेंड ही हैज गिवन पैसेज एंड ही विल आस्क सम क्वेश्चंस. ओके, सो ही इज आस्किंग पिक आउट द पास्ट फॉर्म ऑफ लीव फ्रॉम द पैसेज. सो लीव का पास्ट फॉर्म निकालना है, गुजर गया. सो ओके, ये लीव जो वर्ड है इसका पास्ट फॉर्म निकालना है. तो क्या आएगा? लेफ्ट आएगा. ओके, लेफ्ट. देन नेक्स्ट, फाइंड आउट फ्रॉम द पैसेज द वर्ड विच मीन्स नॉट फॉलोइंग स्ट्रिक्ट रूल्स ऑफ हाउ टू बिहेव और डू समथिंग और रिलैक्स्ड एंड फ्रेंडली. ये भी क्या करना है? पैसेज में से ये मीनिंग का वर्ड निकालना है. नॉट फॉलोइंग स्ट्रिक्ट रूल्स, राइट, और बिहेविंग और डू समथिंग. तो ये क्या आएगा? इनफॉर्मल आएगा. ओके. नेक्स्ट, व्हाट इज द एंटोनिम ऑफ इंक्रीज? इंक्रीज का अपोजिट क्या आएगा? डिक्रीज. ओके. देन द पार्ट ऑफ स्पीच ऑफ द वर्ड नॉलेज इज. नॉलेज किस में आएगा बोल रहे? पार्ट ऑफ स्पीच नाउन में आएगा. ओके, यस. 21st, व्हाट इज द सिनोनिम ऑफ ऑफन फ्रॉम द पैसेज? अक्सर का क्या आएगा? कभी कभार जो बोलते हैं, फिर कई बार बोलते हो मेनी टाइम्स. ओके, डी, मेनी टाइम्स. नाउ third passage, again you have to read the passage and write them as directed. So write the antonym of before. Before का opposite क्या आएगा? After. Okay, I have written here. Then simplest present tense form, the sixth form of the verb given. Given का verb का sixth form क्या आएगा पूछ रहे, right? तो give आएगा. Then write the feminine gender for he. यहाँ पर जो he दिया ना आपको, right? He 21. So masculine he है, राइट. तो फेमिनाइन जेंडर क्या आएगा? यही का बोले तो she आएगा. ओके. देन सिंगुलर फॉर्म ऑफ हर्ब्स. हर्ब्स बोले तो प्लूरल फॉर्म है, एक लिखना है तो सिंगल हर्ब. देन पार्ट्स ऑफ स्पीच ऑफ द वर्ड एंड. ये एंड कौन से पार्ट्स ऑफ स्पीच में आएगा? कंजंक्शन में आएगा. ओके. देन अगेन अनदर पैसेज 17, right, 18, 19, 20, 21. बट दिस आर सम अप एंड डाउन. ओके, यहाँ पे जो नंबर दिए वो ये नंबर पे नहीं है, अलग अलग है. ओके, सो अपन ये पढ़ के डायरेक्ट लिखेंगे. एंटोनिम ऑफ फर्स्ट. फर्स्ट का अपोजिट क्या आएगा? लास्ट आएगा. ओके, अपोजिट लास्ट. फिर एडवोकेट का मतलब कोई किसी को सपोर्ट करते हैं पब्लिकली. ओके, एडवोकेट लॉयर को बोलते ना. यस. और पार्ट्स ऑफ स्पीच लिखना है फॉर का. फॉर कौन से पार्ट्स ऑफ स्पीच में आएगा? प्रीपोजिशन में आएगा. ओके. देन ये मेक्स का फिफ्थ फॉर्म लिखना है. पास्ट टेंस फिफ्थ फॉर्म ऑफ वर्ब मेक्स, तो उसका कहेंगे मेड आएगा, राइट. और राइट द प्लूरल फॉर्म ऑफ ऑपरेशन. ऑपरेशन है ना, तो ये सिंगुलर फॉर्म है. प्लूरल लिखना है तो ऑपरेशंस. राइट दिस इन योर वर्क बुक. ओके. Now the last is closed test. Okay, you have to complete the passage by choosing the right word from the words given below. I have already ticked here. Okay, so you have to write this in your blanks. So like C.V. Raman was the first Indian scholar. Okay, dash studied बोले तो who studied wholly in India and received the Nobel Prize. He was the first Asian and the first non-white to win such a great award in science. Like this, by selecting the suitable word from the options, you have to complete the passage. Again, the second passage, trees are the most useful things in the world. Travelers rest in their cool shade. Children play under them. We build houses and make furniture with them. Right? If there were no trees, there would be no life on the earth. Trees breathe in carbon dioxide and let oxygen out into the air. Right? Then, so that we get oxygen to breathe, we can say the age of a tree by counting its annual rings. Okay, like this you have to complete the passage. Write this in your workbook. So the 3 passages are there, 3rd, 4th, 5th. Okay, I have already ticked here. See? Okay, yes, you have to write in the blanks by seeing the number. On 22 you have to write this. On 23 you have to write this. On 24 you have to write this, right? 25th this one, 26th this one. Clear? So write this all in your workbook. Okay.